So let's take a second to reframe how we view level 1 autistic adults. Not all level 1 autistic adults are highly intelligent, but many of them are. They're using their memories to appear typical in social situations. They want friendships. They are sexual beings who desire intimacy. They expend a considerable amount of energy working to fit in with the social world, and they want to marry and have children like the rest of us. Many of them have very successful careers, not just in technology and entrepreneurship like Elon Musk, but as doctors, surgeons, bankers, researchers, financial advisors, consultants, actors, and even politicians. They are less likely to be drawn to careers that require a high level of social understanding, careers like teachers, nurse, social worker, but some of them are in those careers as well. They are part of our world whether we recognize it or not, and they get married and have children.